Hello everybody. I have this very badly damaged, worn out primer bulb. It's actually not a primer bulb, it's actually an air purge bulb, but people always call these primer bulbs. They are not designed to prime, at least on my chainsaw. This bulb is not intended to prime it, but it's intended to purge the air out. So anyway, you can see that it's totally disintegrated. And if you don't want to replace the entire bulb, you can just replace the dome. And let me show you how. The domes are silicone. I'll show you where to buy them, how to buy them, and get a really good price on them. But I've already separated these two pieces here, and not knowing in advance I was going to be able to do that. But pull the bulb off, remove the rubber piece from the inside, so that all you have is this plastic piece. And then what I did is I took my hot air gun, put it on a low setting, and I heated it up for about a little less than 30 seconds. Got to be really careful, that gun will get hot and it'll melt this plastic. But I just wanted to get it a little bit warm. Prior to doing that, I had taken my X-Acto knife and I had scored all the way around the part at the split. I don't know that you actually need to do that, but I wanted to create a small groove that I could get my screwdriver into. And after I heated it up for a little bit, I was able to put my screwdriver right down in here and pry the two pieces apart. So they separated like this. And here's the remaining half of the bulb itself. I'm just going to put a replacement bulb in it. You may have a spring in here. I do not have a spring in mine, but you might have a spring in yours. When you put it all back together, make sure you put the spring on. And I will probably just use some either hot melt or RTV sealant around here, because I know over time the next bulb is going to degrade and I'm going to need to replace it again. So rather than super glue it in place or epoxy it into place, I'm just going to use an adhesive that's somewhat temporary, and I think that'll work just fine. So that's my little hint for today. You'll find these bulbs on AliExpress. They're generally two sizes. I think there's a 19mm and a roughly 15 or 14mm, somewhere in that range. Just figure out whether you need the large one or the small one. Before you do that, I would suggest you create a Top Cashback account. There's a referral link in the description of the video. If you use my referral link, I'll get a little bit of benefit. And so create a Top Cashback account. And then from Top Cashback, put in AliExpress or eBay or whatever your favorite online merchant is. And link out to that merchant from your Top Cashback account. And Top Cashback will pay you a cash rebate on your purchase. It can be anywhere from 0.5% or 1% on eBay on certain categories, up to 6 or 8% on AliExpress. Looks like I found a better price on eBay. 10 of them for $1.49 plus 30 cents delivery, so $1.79. And on top of that, Top Cashback has some eBay discounts right now. Those parts fall into the category of home and garden, so I will get 1.5% cashback rebate for my eBay purchase. So thanks for watching. If you found this video at all interesting or informative or helpful, how about a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel.